Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are an old friend and if it's your first time joining in or tuning in, welcome to Lala's Lounge. I am Lala, of course. And today I'm going to show you guys what I use to basically do an exfoliation on my lips. The same way you would do an exfoliation on your body or on your face. You have to also try to take care of your lips because you don't want crusty, dusty lips. I mean, duh. So what you'll need to have is just a regular old toothbrush. I have a toothbrush that I use specifically for this, and I don't use it for anything else. But it is like a cheap little toothbrush. It's probably a medium or a hard. Soft, I mean, you can get a soft one, but there will be no purpose in it because you're not scrubbing your lips with a soft one. You won't get the same effect. So get a medium one or a hard one. And you would also need honey. Just whatever honey you can find, or you can use like Vaseline or petroleum jelly, whatever you want to call it. You can use that, or any kind of oil you have at home in your kitchen. And you're gonna, I like to use either brown sugar, but today in this tutorial I'm going to be using coffee grains. So I just have like Folgers coffee that I bought from the grocery store, or you know, cheap dollar store brand, whatever coffee you have that's already ground up. And you can, that's what's going to be like the actual abrasive agent you're using to scrub your lips. So what you want to do is wash your hands, make sure your hands are clean. You want to put a little bit of the honey on your hand so that you can rub the toothbrush against your hand and get it on the bristles. And then what you want to do is then put either the brown sugar or the coffee on the actual toothbrush. So you can just dip, like I poured the coffee grains on a paper towel, and I'm just gonna dip it into the toothbrush on it so that I can get get the coffee on it. So this is how it's gonna look. And usually I do this over the sink, so whatever fallout I have just falls right in the sink. But I mean, I'm in my room right now just for the purpose of this video. But this is what I would use, and literally just scrub your lips. And I have like dark areas around the corners of my mouth. I don't really know what it's from necessarily. That's just how my lips are, but it definitely helps exfoliate your lips. And that's what I do. So I'll just show you guys a little short clip of that. And you can wet it if you need to, but whatever. This is what I do. And I'm looking in my mirror. That's why I'm looking over. To the left, to the left. Uh-oh. Do not use this toothbrush to brush your teeth. That's all I'm gonna say. I do not have a time frame on how long I do this. I just do it until I feel like my lips feel a little bit better. I mean, you can rub your lips together to see. Okay, so that's basically all I do is do that. Then I rinse it off. Rinse off my toothbrush. Then I apply moisturizer. So I'll be right back. Hold on one second. Okay, I'm back. I just rinsed off the, ooh, it feels so good. I just rinsed off the honey and the coffee coffee grounds, and just dab my lips with a paper towel to dry them off. Now I will use this lip gloss. And it's not really lip gloss. It's some, you know, juiciness that I created myself. And if you guys want to know what's in it, when I run out of this, I'll make a video of what I use to make this. They feel so good. I needed that. And that's it. You can use whatever lip balm you like, you know, after you moisturize. I mean, after you scrub your lips. Make sure you moisturize them every night before you go to sleep, so your lips not crusty. I'm so shiny. I guess because I just washed my face. Anyway, that's all for this little tidbit on a lip scrub, homemade DIY lip scrub. If you've tried a different lip scrub or you have your own remedy that you use, let me know in the comment section in the bottom. I'll test it out and see if I like it, or, you know, we can have some dialogue, some feedback back and forth about what you like to use or what you think I should try to use. But I like this method because it's quick, it's easy, and I always have either brown sugar or coffee grounds in my house just because I bought like a huge thing of it and I'm never going to drink coffee, so I just use it for this purpose only, and on my body too for exfoliation. But this little concoction, I'm running low, so I probably will make a video on what this is, but I made this and I just bought these little bottles. So if you want to know what's in here, hit me up and let me know, and I will provide that information. So please subscribe to my channel if you have not. Turn on the notification button so that you can be notified when I post videos and new content, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.